Jesus Manuel here to bring you another exciting video on cryptocurrency, those coins that you can't touch or you can't hold. But before we get started on today's topic, please hit that subscribe button, guys. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I got 42 subscribers right now. I appreciate you 42 subscribers. I love you guys. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I will be giving out some free Bitcoin. And I will be doing that for every other 100 subscribers I get. So please subscribe, guys. I'm going to be bringing at least a video like this every single week. And as the demand goes up, then, well, what the hell? I'll bring more videos and you guys will get tired of seeing me. All right, guys. So on today's topic, Paccoin is the coin to look into. They got some big stuff and big movement going on right now. And what you're saying, you're looking at this and you're like, wait, total supply 3 trillion. How is this coin that's 3 trillion total supply gonna make me money? All right, so Paccoin, and on their Twitter, as always, I always follow and look up Twitter, their stuff. It's always good to see because they got a lot of stuff that's posted and updated as opposed to their website that's just not as updated as it would be because as frequently, well, because that's just too much work to do. But oh, look at the cat go. That's hilarious. All right, so they have a redemption guide going on for a new fork that they have coming out. That's right, a new fork, guys. And what a new fork is, for those of you who don't know what forks are, for me to manage, for me easier to remember it is you take a fork, an actual fork that's one unit, one piece, and then it's split at the end. Well, that's exactly what a fork is with coins. It's just a coin that's derived from another coin, and it's split using the same exact build and software. It's the same and it's not the same. They fix and they build and they do it for separate. They do it for several reasons: to fix bugs and issues, to improve it, or in this case, to cut down this total supply. So what Paccoin is going to be doing is, if you go onto the website and you read the Pack Fork and Redemption Guide, the current total supply of Pack will be reduced, providing a whole host of benefits. The current total supply of 100 trillion Pack with 3.5 trillion have already been mined into circulation will be reduced via an RCO, offering one new pack for each 1,000 existing pack, with each new pack worth 1,000 times the original pack. So if you spend about, let's just say if you spend about $100 worth of Paccoins right now, $100 worth of BTC, and you buy that into Paccoin, you will get about 1 million Paccoins into supply. So you'll have 1 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right. That's not right. That's 10 million. That's right. All right. So you have 1 million, right? If you spend about $100 worth of Paccoins right now, more or less, you'll have about 1 million. For every single one of these coins, for every 1,000 of these coins, you'll get one of the new Paccoins. So then you would take that and divide that by 1,000. So you will have 1,000 of the new coins times point, let's just say 12. So you will have made surely about 20 bucks just to start up, just to give you guys an idea of what it'll look like when the new Paccoin comes into effect. The reason why I have that 12 cents is because people are speculating on their Twitter that the value will be between 10 cents to 12 cents by that time. It might reach more. Only because obviously between now and that time coming, more and more people will probably hear about the news and they will buy in. As we all know, forks are very popular, and when forks are happening, most of the times, like the Ethereum Classic, for example, who was coming out with a fork, this coin for a while was doing very, very well. I mean, it was up 40%, 50% day to day, like about a week and a half ago. So same thing with the Bitcoin Cash came out. So this coin is it's very cheap to begin with, and it's having a fork coming up. So there is going to be some activity coming up in the next several weeks. So this is something for you guys to look at because it's a very cheap coin. So you can buy it at very low. You can own a whole lot, and you will be able to redeem this once this coin goes out into the market, and sometime in March. and you can dump or hold on to. This new supply will only have now 3.5 billion. So IOTA, it's probably IOTA will maybe be one of the coins that are closest to that total supply. So they're at 2.7. Um, let's look at that. Give me 1 second. No, I don't want that. What are you doing to me? There you go. So total supply, and the max supply is 2.7. So they're at $2.24. But the total supply for Paccoin is going to be a little. The new Paccoin is going to be a little bit more. It's going to be 3.5 billion. This is for sure not going to. I don't think it's going to hit $2.24. Who knows by the end of this year? But for sure, I have a feeling it will hit the high $1. It would hit $1, somewhere a little less, somewhere a little more, but buy now that it's very, very, very inexpensive and very, very cheap, so that you can get into the new coin offering that's happening, like I said, within the next month, and you can sell. You have to follow these steps to redeem it, guys. So you have to go on the website, download their wallets. I already went ahead and put that link on there. So I can show you guys. So you come on here, you download their wallets if you have Linux, Windows, or Mac. Um, you're going to download their old wallet. Okay, you can remove your old pack coins from any exchanges like Cryptopia or Yobit and deposit them into the old pack wallet. Do not send old pack to the new wallet. You might lose that stuff, so do not do that. So send it to the old pack wallet. Once your old pack coins are safely inside the old wallet, your old pack coins must be sent to one of their secure redemption addresses found only on paccoin.net. After you do that, it's just a time of waiting. Then you will be sent your new pack dollar will be sent back to your new pack wallet address to supply to you. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to get into a very cheap coin and something to invest into, Paccoin is definitely a place to be at. There was also some news that these guys were in the process of working with a new exchange who's going to be competing against Coinbase. Competing, contemplating, no, competing, there we go, my brain came back. My brain is back, guys. All right, so there was some talk about a new coin that's coming out, that Paccoin, and this was on their website. I found it sometime earlier this week, and I was reading on it, and I should have screenshot it, but they're gonna be actually working with a application that, and we know that there's gonna be hundreds of applications in the future other than Coinbase, but the application will be taking fees of Paccoin. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty big for Paccoin. So they are obviously in the market to put their name out there, and they're actually doing something with the cryptocurrency. This is the reason why I make videos like this for these coins, because these are coins that are actually active and they're doing something. Not like those other hundreds and hundreds of other coins in the market that they're just there to exist and to play the gambling game and to flip it and win it kind of thing, which is not bad, which is what we all do, I know. But I also want to give you guys coins that are actually coins that I believe that are not going to go anywhere in their hat, and they're undervalued, and they're actually doing something in the market to sustain themselves a position in the cryptocurrency world, that of the cryptocurrency world in the future, where all monies will not exist except everything that is digital. So it's a rat race right now with all these coins, guys, but Paccoin is a good rat to invest in. So please look into Paccoin if you are an investor who doesn't have a whole lot but wants to buy a whole lot of something. Paccoin is definitely the coin that you guys want. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you guys what you guys think. If there's other coins that you guys want me to talk about, or if there's other coins that I haven't brought up and you guys want to look at, please hit the subscribe button. Like I said again, guys, I will be staking out 100, not 100, my first 100 subscribers. I will be staking out and giving free Bitcoin randomly. So please start to, once that 100 subscribers go in, if not, please start commenting right now with your BTC code down below in the comments. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I will be giving you guys some free Bitcoin, and every other coin after that Every other follower after that, every other 100, I will be doing the same. So we'll do hundreds. We'll do everything in hundreds. Maybe I'll give out more. Who knows? But stay tuned. Keep watching, guys. I will be giving you guys another video out this week of any cool new news and so forth. So, guys, as always, thank you for watching.